Hello everyone, welcome to another i12 TWS Airpods video tutorial. This is Amir. You are watching Android Tech YouTube channel. In this video tutorial today I want to show you how to use i12 TWS Airpods. So without spending more time, let's get started. So first of all, if you want to use the i12 TWS Airpods, so make sure this is the Airpods which only supports the Bluetooth 5.0 technology. So if you have the latest Android device, just like Android Oreo or Android Pie based device, so you can easily pair the both Airpods to the device. But right now I have the Samsung Galaxy J3. This is the older version. So let me try on this one because they have the 5.0 Bluetooth technology. So right now I have Samsung J3. So right now you can see there's some features on a box. So you can see the auto power on, auto pairing, and touch using Siri. So this is the touch sensor which is displayed on a top and front of the Airpods. So now let me show how to use the Airpods. So first of all, make sure you must charge the Airpod case as well as Airpods itself. So right now I have charged both things. So now when you tap on the Airpod case, so you can see it light up the blue color. It means the case is fully charged. When it produces the red light, it means you need to charge your Airpod case. So anyway guys, I have charged the Airpod case. Now you just need to pick the both Airpods from the case, and now you can see Airpods itself. So if you want to use the both Airpods, so you must first of all pair the both Airpods together. So before you want to pair the both Airpods together, let me turn on the Airpods. So now when you tap on the both touch sensors, so let me show how to turn on. So now tap and hold down the both touch sensors, and now you can see it produce a red and blue light. And now you can see one Airpod is turned on. So after a few seconds you can see both Airpods will automatically paired with each other, and if you turn on the one Airpod, so the other Airpod will be automatically turned on. So anyway guys, both Airpods are connected and paired with each other. So now let me go to the Android device. So now on a phone settings, so you just need to turn on the Bluetooth to connect the i12 TWS. So right now you can see it display the i12 TWS Airpod device. So now you just need to pair the i12 TWS with your smartphone. Now you can see the connected for our calls and media audio. So right now you can see I have successfully connected to the i12 TWS. So now if you want to use the i12 TWS as a music purpose, so now let me open my phone gallery. So now if you watch the audio as well as videos, so you will see guys, the sound will be produced to your Airpods. So now you can see I can easily listen the song on Airpods. So now when you double tap the touch sensor, you will see guys, it stops and Google Assistant will be activated, and this is the gesture key which control your Google Assistant application as well as. So guys, this is all about the video. In this video I have shown you how to use the i12 TWS Airpods. So this is pretty simple and easiest way to use the i12 TWS. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you get the more videos regarding i12 TWS, just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.